Detroit. Took the midnight train going anywhere.
I mean, the new one's fun.
Hi. What's up? It's Bianca's birthday.
It's okay, guys. It's Allie. It's my birthday. We're inside PhilharMagic right now. Everybody say hey. Hi. We're very hyped right now because it's raining outside. But we'll take you along for the adventure, right, Ducks? Let's go. So, guys, we just did PhilharMagic. Warren, what did you think?
Huh?
Warren had the best opinion of PhilharMagic. What did you think?
I was dozing a little.
You were dozing just a little bit.
It was a good nap.
PhilharMagic is like my second favorite thing to do with all the parks, and on my birthday he falls asleep.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Alright, so where are we on our way to now, guys?
Lightyear.
Buzz, 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 Lightyear to the rescue! You guys, it looks like Buzz is depending on us.
Alright.
Hey, Jim. I want you guys to comment down below right now and tell us who you think is gonna win. It's gonna be me and Ariel, or Jim, and then versus Warren and Zach. So pause this video right now and go down below. Tell us who you think is gonna win. I think it's gonna be me and Ariel. Girls, 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 girls. I can't. All the boys beat us, Ducks.
Yup. They destroyed us.
I can't. I absolutely can't. Yay! Guys, Brandon is almost here. He hasn't been here all day.
I can't.
The hype is coming. The hype has made it. Everybody say hi to Brandon! So guys, we are leaving Magic Kingdom. Ariel is leaving us for the day because she's got to work at 6 o'clock tomorrow, the ungodly hour. So everyone say bye, Ariel.
Bye, Ariel.
Everyone say bye, Jim.
Bye, Jim. Thank God you're
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express March.
Sit back, hold on tight, drive, you're clear, dispatch.
I'm supervising my child.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the
The most
tram is moving.
aspiration
And
couple in the world.
supervise your children.
We're getting married.
You're getting married!
She does have an ass.
What happened?
It is that time of the night. It is time for Jim's dad jokes. Woo! Go ahead, tell your dad jokes.
What do you call somebody with no body and no nose?
I don't know what.
Nobody knows.
Lift up on the door handle, push out on the door,
Good job,
slower hands,
Ken.
watch your
Slap my
step,
knee and
Jafar to the driver, right, sir to the driver's
I'll
left.
do what I can. Thank you. I'll be here for
Jafar,
another
the
like 10
only stop
minutes.
we make.
Brandon, let's start again at the top. So tell me, what? So Daffy Duck and Daffy Duck and what?
Daffy Duck's Quackwurst is the name of the movie, right? So it starts off with one of the it strings together a bunch of cartoons to make a coherent plot. So it's like Daffy needs to inherit this money because he's broke in this cartoon. So he's trying to make this guy laugh because whoever gives this rich guy a laugh before he passes on because he's sick will get all the money. So Daffy's trying to get into the manor, but the butler keeps stopping him every turn. It's just a series of hilarity ensues. He tries to get to the butler, not the butler, the guy. Then he's there, and what makes the guy laugh is like pie face, and then he just lets himself get thrown by pies, hit by pies, just to get the money. And yeah, he dies laughing. And and Daffy just gets all the money. But
Tell
then,
me this doesn't sound like an episode of Scooby-Doo.
kind of, but it gets even more Scooby-Dooish in a sense. Here's the best part. So he gets all the money. He's like, well, I'm not going to do anything with the money. It's all mine. Mine, as typical Daffy fashion. And so what happens is the ghost of J.P. Cubis, the billionaire that died, appears before him and says, you must do a service for the community, or I'm taking all your money. And his money is like literally disappearing as Daffy just uses it to stay selfish with it. So he gets the idea specifically to hunt the supernatural because he's being haunted by a ghost right now. So yeah, he hopes that eventually he'll find the whole secret thing is that he eventually hopes someone that can exorcise him so he can just keep all his money, but until then his service is just eliminating the supernatural. It's just an excuse to give a bunch of cartoons that involve the supernatural, like Porky Golden Pig, which is one of his employees, just like gets caught in this thing. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's great. Great.
Everybody wave.
We go from the 5th floor to the 1st floor, and then he sees his buddy.
The hype is
I'm
here.
in this episode.
And he's just like, oh, hey, I'll catch you guys later.
Brandon's in this episode.
Mine ran out.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh!
I'm not taking you to the hospital.
Totally. Where'd it go?
They upstage you, George.
No, that shit is lighting off, huh?
I said they upstage you.
The what? What happened?
They upstaged you.
Oh, hell yeah.
We have more over there. You don't have to use that one.
A piece fell. Yo, is that supposed to be a fire over there?
Oh my god!
Yeah! My leg!
Oh my god!
Sorry about your house.
Ah, damn!
Yo,
That's not even the big one.
Ow!
Hey, get ready.
Like the first flame.
Is your hand okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Happy 4th of July, everybody. That was us setting off fireworks at my friend Jean's house, and now my makeup's all over my face because I've been wearing it all day. And also, how'd you like my birthday footage? Give me a thumbs up and leave some comments down below telling me happy birthday if you like it. I have some ideas coming up. Let me know if you guys like the idea of me doing like a pop culture news kind of deal or not, because I'm really thinking about doing that. I like the idea of it. I think it'd be fun for me. Anywho, if you like this vlog, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on those notifications if you love me. And I haven't posted in quite some time, so hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye!